This is a professional tool designed for Plum Blossom locks. It is compatible with 7.5 mm and 7.8 mm lock diameters. First, let us unbox the tool and explore it. I will start by taking it out of the box. Here is the tool. This part here is an essential positioning point, and these are the ejector pins on the tool. Compared to traditional designs, this tool has slightly wider pins. This wider design allows it to fit various lock sizes. It is compatible with 7mm, 7.5mm, and 7.8mm locks. Now, let me show you how it works. First, push all the pins to a flat position. Once flat, press the tool onto the surface. Make sure all the pins are aligned evenly. After alignment, we can proceed. Here is the lock VLL open. This is a lock that turns to the right. First, align the positioning point with the corresponding spot on the lock. Insert the tool into the lock. Press the pins lightly a few times. Ensure the positioning is accurate. Hold the tool steadily in place. Then gently rotate it. See that? It opens in just a few tries. The lock is now open. Let me show you more closely. The lock is fully unlocked. As you can see, it has rotated 90 degrees. After turning it back, the lock resets. Let me show you again. Overall, this tool is easy to use. It is particularly suitable for 7.5 mm and 7.8 mm locks, a practical choice for locksmiths worldwide.